What is Selenium? And list its components. Selenium is a free tool used to test websites. It works across many browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. You can write tests in languages like Java, Python, C#, Ruby, JavaScript, and others. It has 4 main parts. Selenium IDE, a simple tool to record and run tests. Selenium WebDriver, lets you write code to control the browser. Selenium Grid, runs tests on many machines at once. Selenium RC, remote control, an older tool, now replaced by WebDriver. What are the limitations of Selenium? It only works with web apps, not desktop or mobile apps. It doesn't give built-in test reports. You need other tools. It can't handle image-based testing, barcodes, or CAPTCHAs. You need to handle weights and timing yourself in some cases. Difference between Selenium WebDriver and Selenium RC? WebDriver is the newer and better version. It talks straight to the browser, so it's faster. You don't need to start any server. Selenium RC is old and uses a server to talk to the browser. RC is harder to use and slower. It's not used much anymore. What is the difference between findElement and findElements? findElement finds the first match. If nothing is found, it throws an error, no such element exception. findElements finds all matching items. If nothing is found, it returns an empty list. What are locators in Selenium? Name different types. Locators are used to find elements like buttons, links, and text boxes on a web page. You can use ID, often the fastest and most reliable. Name uses the name of the element. Class name uses the class attribute. Tag name, like input, button, etc. Link text finds links by their text. Partial link text, part of the link's text. CSS selector matches elements using CSS rules. XPath matches elements based on their path in the HTML. How do you handle dropdowns in Selenium? To work with dropdown menus, use the select class. First, find a dropdown element. Then create a select object. Pick options using select by visible text. Choose by the text you see. Select by value. Choose by the value in the HTML. Select by index. Choose by its position in the list. How do you handle alerts and pop-ups? Use the driver.switchTo.alert to work with alerts. Once switched, use accept to click OK. Use dismiss to click cancel. Use getText to read the message. Use send keys to type into prompt alerts. How do you perform drag and drop actions? Use the actions class to do drag and drop. Steps. Find the element to drag. Find a place to drop it. Use click and hold, move to element, and release. Or simply use drag and drop, source, target. How do you upload a file using Selenium WebDriver? Find the input field with type file. Use send keys and give the full path of the file. No need to click the upload button manually. Selenium does it for you. How do you take a screenshot using Selenium WebDriver? Use the take screenshot interface. Cache your driver to it, then call getScreenshots. Save the image file to your computer using fileutils.copy file or similar. That's it for the first 10 Selenium interview questions. I'll cover more in part 2, so don't forget to check that out.